Katy, and I'm 5 years old. We're going to make my favorite chocolate chip cookie today. And let's get started. We need some eggs, we need butter, and we need crystal shortening sugar and brown sugar, and we need flour and vanilla pudding mix, and we also need vanilla, and we need chocolate. We also need salt, baking soda, and baking powder, and we need 2 prepared cookie sheets. And let's get started. 2 3/4 cups of flour. One and a quarter teaspoons of baking soda.
Brush it off. Good job.
Quarter teaspoon baking powder. 1 teaspoon salt. Pour it up until it locks. Half a cup of sugar.
Good. Okay, we're going to blend that in again.
One cup brown sugar.
Is it all gone? It's all gone. Remember, it's important to blend it in.
1/2 cup of
Instant
vanilla
mix.
mix. All of it.
All of it goes. Good job.
We're going to blend the dry
Ingredients.
ingredients together.
Well, it smells good, doesn't it?
So much gooder.
All right. Yeah, pour this in a separate bowl.
Okay. Now we're going to do the wet ingredients. Cream, the butter and shortening. The butter needs softening.
And soften. There you go. Oop. There's some on there.
3/4 tablespoon.
Yeah, 3/4 of stick. Are you ready?
Half a cup of shortening.
Good job.
Cream that together. After we cream it together, we're going to add the egg. 2 eggs.
There you go. Use your thumbs. Good job.
Add the 2 eggs.
Let's turn it on. One at a time.
One at a time.
You got this. Okay. Good job.
2 teaspoons of vanilla.
Yeah, this is 1. Go ahead.
This is 2. Gradually add the sugar into this.
No, the flour.
The flour. Three tablespoons of maple syrup.
Whoa. If you can add a little water.
Okay, I'm done looking this.
Thank you.
Sounds so yummy. Half a bag of milk chocolate chip.
You got it. Keep going. That's a good.
Smells good. Delicious.
Good job. There you go. Good job. You put it right here. It will spread out nicely. Good job. Here, I got it. I'll put a couple of chocolate chips on top. How's that? Make it look even prettier.
Good.
Here, watch this. Watch this. If you keep this wet, if you keep it a little bit wet, go like that. Hang on, put it too much. And just pop it out like that. See?
That is much more easier.
Yeah, a little bit of water on there sure makes a difference. There you go. Good job. And this is the part where you let the adult do it. We have this at 350 convection or 365 regular oven. And we're going to do this for 12 to 13 minutes.
When you're done with kids, you don't want to eat them cookies.
That's right. Let's get them out of the oven. Let's see what we got.
This is gonna be the best cookies of your life.
I think they will be.
Oh,
Oh, those are perfect. I'm going to give it a turn this direction for just a second.
those are big cookies. It'd be yummy cookies because I know I'm gonna Mimi make the best cookies of my life.
You made them.
No, you made them.
Who made them? You made them.
No, you. You helped me see what the things are.
This is my little mini-me right here.
And go. Can I?
Perfection. No, 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 no. Don't you burn yourself. An adult needs to do this part.
I don't need to do that part.
Lots of chocolate chips. Okay, hang on. Hang on, don't break it yet.
Hot.
Okay, ready?
And go.
Oh, wow. Look at that. And pull it apart. Oh, my goodness. Beautiful cookies. Now you're going to eat one?
So good.
Don't burn your mouth.
A
Best,
little bit hot, but good.
best cookies you ever had?
Mhm.
I thought so. Look at those cookies. They really are good.
And we're going to go ahead and head on over
And subscribe
and subscribe
to our little homestead.
to our little homestead.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Bye.